Imagine you were cruising down the highway and suddenly your engine starts acting like it has a mind of its own, with a noticeable drop in power or a strange smell of raw fuel. If you have hooked up your scanner and found the P02D7 error code, your engine control module is basically telling you that it has tried everything possible to adjust the fuel delivery for the sixth cylinder, but has finally hit a brick wall. Think of it like your body trying to compensate for a sore ankle by limping until eventually your hip starts to hurt too. The computer has reached its maximum offset learning limit and can no longer adapt to whatever is going wrong under the hood. This generic powertrain code is common in everything from Fords to BMWs and usually points to an underlying mechanical or airflow issue rather than just a simple sensor glitch. Since your car's brain constantly monitors things like engine wear and weather to fine-tune the fuel mixture, seeing this code means the imbalance is now too big to ignore. You might notice your fuel economy tanking, the engine misfiring, or even excessive smoke when you step on the gas. The first thing you should do is hunt for vacuum leaks, because unmetered air entering the system is a classic culprit that forces injectors to work overtime. Check your air filter and intake tubes for cracks, and do not overlook the possibility of a worn-out injector or even internal engine issues like leaky gaskets or piston ring problems. Start with the easy stuff, like a visual inspection of the wiring harness for corrosion, since these parts live in a harsh environment. And if you can, use a gauge to check the intake vacuum. This is a moderate to high severity issue because running too lean or too rich for too long can really beat up your internal engine components. So getting to the bottom of why cylinder 6 is struggling is your top priority to get that smooth performance back.